So what's going on mga kuys? Meron naman tayong panibagong package na i-unbox at abangan po natin. So, commercial muna. Welcome back mga kuys. Welcome back to my channel. Ito po, meron po tayong bagong trimmer na i-unbox at galing po siya sa AliExpress and ito po ay yung Kamei. So buksan na natin. So ito po yung bagong trimmer natin, yung skeleton. So this is my new trimmer from Kamei. This one called the Kamei 1971 and it has 700 milliamp hour battery. So medyo mababa lang po yung rate ng battery niya. So meron po siyang round knife head, small knife teeth with 6,000 RPM plus minus 200. So check na natin yung yung speed niya mamaya kasi questionable yung 6,000 RPM. So maybe then ko-compare natin siya sa mga trimmer natin dito. So this is my Jane trimmer, my Babyliss, and my Sonar trimmer. So, pasin na natin sa loob. So, tingnan muna natin anong meron dito. So, nothing too important here. So, charging time niya is 2 hours. Operating time is also 2 hours. So, yan po yan. So, power niya is 3 watts. So, 3 watts is not too much for a trimmer. But we will check. So, this is another packaging. Meron siyang isa pang para siyang cellphone. And this is the trimmer. Ayan. So, tingnan natin. So, this is also metal. Tapos, meron siyang USB Type-C charger, voltage 5 volts, power is 3 watts. So we don't expect too much for a 3 watt power. So this is exposed blade, 360 exposed blade, just like Babyliss trimmer. And kung makikita nyo, this is a replica of Andy Slimline Pro Lee trimmer, yung blade niya. Pero we are going to check kung identical yung blade niya. So let's make a sound check muna po. So sound check muna natin. So how to turn this on. There's a power button dito sa baba. Ayan po. So then it will turn blue. So smooth yung takbo niya. Medyo tahimik. Makita nyo. So it is rated 6,000 RPM. So yung yung Babyliss is also 6,000 RPM. So let's check. So this is 6,000 RPM. And this is na 6,000 RPM. So nakalagay naman kasi it's written here 6,000 plus minus 200. So approximately 5,800 RPMs or SPM, spins per seconds, or rounds per seconds, because you don't expect too much from this trimmer. This one runs decently, but not so really fast. So this is my Sonar. Meron itong dalawang speed. It has 2 speeds, 1 and 2. So check natin sa second speed. Then so you can barely see the difference, yeah. And this one is the trimmer from Jane. Sabi nila 7,000 RPM. they rated this trimmer 7,000 RPM. So this is the Kamei. So mabagal lang yung ano, hindi naman sobrang bagal pero tama lang yung ano, yung speed niya. So mas maganda sana so kung mas mabilis pa yung ano nito, yung speed nito. Mas mabilis pa. So hindi na ano, nung sinubukan ko yung stock blade nito, okay din naman kaso kapag ano, hindi siya nag-hit ng masyado. So mostly China brands are ano, blades are sharp for guidelines and balding but not for lineups. But this one I tried to modify this already. So this I use my 1 minute blade modifier by the Chuka Barber, and as you can see the blades of this is already shiny because it is already modified. Ayan pa. So ginamitan ko po ng ng modification yung blade nito. So I'm planning to buy I already ordered Andy's T-outliner blade so I can install here, but before I install my Andy's T-outliner blade, I want to try first the stock blade of this Kamei. So sinubukan muna natin yung stock blade ng Kamei. So sorry, nag-i-English ako para maintindihan po ng iba at baluktot yung English natin kasi marami po nagre-request na sana mag-English ako sa mga reviews or vlogs ko para medyo naiintindihan nila. So ayan po is yan yung modification. This is the modification of this blade. So I will make a test using this blade. Papakita ko sa inyo sa video. So abangan. So, pakita na natin yung ano pa naman ito. So, meron lang siyang guide cones and brush. So, that's all. And warranty card. Abangan nyo po yung yung Andes na i-modify natin. Andes ng T-outliner ilalagay natin dito. So, hindi pa siya dumarating. Then, gagawa ulit tayo ng panibagong vlog kung paano ikabit yung Andes. So shout out nga pala kay Kuis Edson Edmar. Ayan, kasi siya yung mga naka-chat ko tungkol dito sa na siya yung naka-modify na yung trimmer niya gamit yung Andes T-outliner na blade. Sabi niya medyo mahirap kailangan talaga ng modification dahil sa plastic kasi. So this is my my gap here. So kung makita nyo, let's make a focus on this blade. So this is my gap. So Quiz Edson, salamat sa mga tips mo. So gagawin natin yung pag dumating yung blade natin in order, at papakita rin natin sa mga viewer natin kung paano natin kakabit yung blade. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. For those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Click the like button and click the notification bell so you can be notified for my next vlogs or videos. So if you want to watch more unboxing videos on China brands or whatever I get from my hobby, then please do subscribe and click the notification bell. So thank you for watching. Sampits the Hobby Barber signing out. God bless.